Your best marketing person just resigned. She was the one who knew exactly how to prompt AI to write proposals that win clients. She knew the right instructions, the right tone, and the right format. And every time she used ChatGPT, the output was sharp, ready to send. But she never saved a single prompt, wala kahit isa. And now that she's gone, and all of that knowledge, nawala lahat. I'm Jerry Ilaw, the co-founder of Darky and Otoma and the founding president of the Philippine AI Business Association. And if your team is using AI at work right now, but treating every prompt like scratch paper, that is, type it, get the results, and then forget about it, then your company is losing valuable knowledge every single day. Here is the simple truth. Your AI prompts are not scratch papers. They should not be disposable. They are company assets. And the smartest businesses right now, they are already treating prompts as intellectual property. But just saving prompts in a Google Doc won't cut it. In fact, most companies that try to organize their prompts still get wrong, and they end up wasting even more time. So, let me show you why and what to do instead. Let me paint you a picture. Imagine two restaurants. Pareho silang may magaling na chef. Same quality ingredients and same kitchen equipment. Yung restaurant A, every cook improvises. Every single night, they make adobo a little different. Sometimes, okay, it's great. Sometimes naman the customer complains. And when the head cook resigns, anong nangyari? Nobody knows how to replicate his dishes. The restaurant scrambles, quality drops, and customers notice. Samantalang, si Restaurant B, same talented cooks, pero they have a recipe book. Every dish is written down, the exact ingredients, the exact steps, and the exact timing. When a new cook joins, they don't start from zero. They open the recipe book and they are productive from day one. And when someone leaves, well, the recipe stays. If you think about it, the stove did not make the restaurant be successful. The ingredients didn't make them successful. It was the recipe book. So your AI tool, whether it's ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude, that's just the stove. Your company data, those are the ingredients. But the prompt, the specific instruction that turns those ingredients into something valuable, well, that's your recipe. And the collection of those best recipes, that's what I call the prompt vault. Hindi yung AI tool ang asset mo. Yung prompt vault, yun yung asset. So, what actually goes inside the prompt vault? Well, three things, and each one matters. The first one is the prompt itself. So dito, lalagay mo yung exact text that worked, not just a summary. So not something like what Maria used, kundi the actual words, copied and saved. Because in AI, small changes in wordings create big changes in output. One word difference can be the difference between a professional client proposal and a generic garbage. So think of it this way. A recipe book does not say add some salt, di ba? It says half a teaspoon of salt. So your prompt vault needs the same level of precision. The second one is all about the context. Which department use it? For what task? And which AI tool? So the prompt that works perfectly for writing marketing emails might fall completely for writing financial reports. So context is very important. Context is what makes a prompt reusable. And without it, your prompt vault becomes just a junk drawer. Pero here's the part that surprises most business owners. So far, we've covered the prompt itself and the context around it. And the third one, this is where the real value is. So, ano yung number 3? Number 3 is the result and the iteration. So, did it work the first time or did your team have to tweak it? What did they change? what made the output go from just okay to excellent. Okay? So this is gold. This is very important because when you save not just the prompt, but the process of improving it, you're actually capturing the team's thinking, their judgment, their expertise, their understanding of what good output looks like for your business. Report from companies building prompt management tools shows something very interesting. Organized prompt libraries can save teams 40 to 60% of the time they spend on AI tasks. That's 40 to 60%. And that's because they stop reinventing the wheel every single morning. And without the prompt vault, every employee starts from scratch every day. But with one, they open the vault, grab what it works, and get to work. Parang new employee na may recipe book on day one. And here's where this gets better than just productivity. As AI tools become more powerful, something interesting is happening. More and more of your business logic is moving into prompts. The way you do things, the way you make decisions, and the way you talk to clients. Your prompts are becoming your new standard operating procedures or your SOPs. And law firms around the world are now advising companies to treat their prompt libraries the same way they treat their trade secrets. Can you imagine that? Trade secrets. So anong advice nila? Restrict access, use NDAs, and label prompt repositories as confidential. Well, I am not a lawyer and this is not a legal advice. But as a business leader, you need to understand this. The AI tool is available to everyone. Your competitors can just subscribe to the same ChatGPT plan that you have. Pareho kayong may stove. And the one thing that they can copy, your prompt vault. That's your recipe and that's your edge. So let me ask you something honestly. Think about the last 10 prompts that your team sent to any AI tool. The ones that generated proposals, reports, marketing, clients, and emails. Can you find those prompts right now? Are they saved somewhere? If the answer is no, how much knowledge has your company already lost without even realizing it? Ilan ang magaling mong tao ang umalis? And kasama nila yung prompt na gumagana. So here's what I want you to remember in this video. And I want you to say this in your next meeting. A prompt vault turns our team's best AI instructions into company assets that stays, even when people leave. And the business implication? Well, that means we stop losing knowledge. We stop wasting time, and every new hire becomes productive faster. And here's your action step. Before Friday, well, this Friday, ask your team one question. What are the 3 best prompts that you've used this month? Well, just that, one question. And if they can answer it and show you the prompts, well, you're in good shape. But if they can't, you know exactly where to start building your next prompt. Now that you know your prompts are company assets and not disposable ones, not scratch papers, the next question is, how do you make sure your team is writing prompts that are actually worth saving? Because a vault full of bad prompts is just an organized mess. I break it down in this next video. So click it now while this is still fresh. Again, I'm Jerry Ilaw, the co-founder of Tarki and Otama and the founding president of the Philippine AI Business Association, reminding you that your prompts are not scratch papers. Build your prompt vault now, protect your knowledge, and stay ahead. See you in the next video.